Once upon a time, in a lush, enchanted forest, lived a curious goblin named Grizzle. Unlike other goblins who enjoyed mischief, Grizzle had a special passion for music. His little home was filled with all sorts of musical instruments, but his favorite was an old, dusty music box he found in the attic of his grand goblin home. The music box was no ordinary box. It was adorned with intricate patterns of gold and silver, and its melody had a way of making everyone who heard it feel joyful and at peace. The legend said it was created by a wizard many moons ago, and whoever possessed it could make magical wishes come true. However, the box could only be used by someone with a pure heart. One sunny morning, Grizzle woke up to find his forest friends gathered around his doorstep. The squirrels, rabbits, and even the wise old owl had come to him with worried faces. The forest's magical glow had started to fade, and the once vibrant colors of the flowers and trees were turning dull and lifeless. They believed that only the magic of the music box could restore the forest's magic. Grizzle, determined to help his friends, decided to use the music box. He gently wound the tiny key and opened the box. A soft, enchanting melody began to play, and for a moment, the forest seemed to hold its breath. But instead of brightening the surroundings, the music turned into a soft, sorrowful tune. Grizzle realized that the box's magic could be triggered only if the music played was truly heartfelt. Grizzle set out on a journey to find what would make his music truly magical. He traveled through sparkling streams, climbed misty mountains, and ventured into hidden valleys, meeting many creatures along the way. Each time, he played a melody and hoped it would bring back the forest's magic, but each time, he only heard a soft, sad note. One evening, while resting by a moonlit lake, Grizzle met a tiny, silver fish with shimmering scales. The fish, noticing Grizzle's determination, shared a secret. The magic of the music box is not just in the melody, but in the emotions you put into it. The forest needs to feel the love and care you have for it. Understanding now, Grizzle returned to the forest with renewed hope. He gathered all his friends and played the music box again, but this time, he poured all his love and care into the melody. As he played, he thought of the beautiful, colorful forest he wanted to save and the joy of his friends. Slowly, the music began to transform. The melody became lively and bright, echoing through the forest like a warm, comforting hug. The trees regained their vibrant green, flowers bloomed in every color of the rainbow, and the forest's magic was restored. The creatures of the forest cheered and celebrated, thanking Grizzle for his selfless act. The goblin, with a heart full of joy, realized that the true magic of the music box was not in its power to grant wishes, but in its ability to reflect the pure-hearted intentions of its player. From that day on, the enchanted forest thrived with even more beauty and magic than before, and Grizzle's music box became a symbol of hope and love for all who heard its melodies. And whenever the forest needed a touch of magic, Grizzle and his music box were always there to remind everyone of the power of kindness and the importance of believing in the magic within themselves. And so, the forest lived happily ever after, with Grizzle's music echoing through its heart, a melody of love and wonder for all who heard it.